Hi everyone. Corona time, so we have nothing to do but cook and eat. So today I'm making orange cake. This is a cake that my sister makes almost every Friday for Shabbat. And I like it because it's not too sweet, it's great with coffee, it's great with tea, and it's really nice. Okay, so it's very light, no big deal, no butter. So here we go. So the ingredients are, I'm going to give you the ingredients so you know what to do. 2 cups of flour, self-rising, very important. 3/4 cup of sugar, 6 eggs, 1/3 cup of oil, 1 cup of orange juice, fresh squeezed preferably, and the zest of 2 oranges. 2 oranges should give you almost 2 cups. If you're missing, just add a little bit of water if you have to. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the egg whites and the sugar, and we're gonna beat this about 3 minutes until it's nice and fluffy, but don't overdo because then it's gonna flap. So nice and high. Okay, so while we're doing that, I'm gonna oil the pan so it's ready to go. So I'm gonna put a little bit of oil, and I'm going to make sure that everything is well covered. Otherwise the cake will stick. We don't want that. Now you could use this kind of pan, you could use round, you can use square, it doesn't matter. Okay, the next thing we're going to add when the eggs are nice and fluffy, which I'll show you what it's going to look like, will be the egg yolk, the oil, and the orange zest. When you zest the orange, of course you can use this, and it's very easy, and I like to use this to squeeze the oranges. So, put that away. Oh, it's not done. It's a little fluffy. I'm going to mix the eggs, the egg yolk, the oil, and the orange zest. I'm going to lower the lowest level so I can mix everything else. So I'm going to mix the egg yolk, the oil, and the orange zest. Done. Clean up. The next step is going to be the flour and the orange juice. So you put a little bit of flour, a little bit of orange juice, a little bit of flour, a little bit of orange juice, very slowly. If you want to use a hand mixer, that's fine too. Either one should work. Got it. You get me a spatula. There we go. Easy peasy. We're basically done. We just have to mix it a little bit. Let me get this off. Always have a problem getting this off. Okay, looking good. Let's pour it in here. set the oven to 350 here, right from the beginning. Just get every bit. Okie dokie. Shake it a little bit, smush it around, and into the oven it goes. Oops, I'm gonna move the oven to 350. Okay, 40 minutes. Let's set the timer. Okay, we'll see you back when the cake is ready. The cake is out of the oven. Again, that was on 345, 350, and for 40 minutes. And now we're gonna put a little toothpick to make sure that it's cooked. Nothing came out, that means it's good. If something came out, put it back for 3-4 minutes. And we're gonna take this out. Whoa, it's hot. And here it is. A little bit of confectionery sugar. And voila, enjoy. Oh, by the way, I don't like to keep the whole cake out, so what I do is cut it into slices, wrap it in foil, individual pieces, and put it in the freezer and take one piece at a time. We don't want to get fat. We want to enjoy the cake, but not eat it all. I'll show you how I do it. If I can find it, I will show you. Okay. So what I do is I fold it in little pieces. The foil keeps it great. You can keep it for a long time. And then I just take it out, either 5 minutes in the microwave or just leave it out for 10 minutes and it's good to go. So enjoy, make it for someone. And I hope you love it like I do. I like a simple cake, and that's what this is.